Today, we'll be explaining face masks at work. Which one should you be wearing in your role and what level of protection should you be trying to achieve? We'll be covering the 5 main groups of masks today: dust face masks, half face masks, full face masks, battery-fed face masks and air-fed face masks. As painting and decorating professionals use paints and lacquers daily, wearing masks or respirators is essential to help protect your lungs from prolonged exposure to potentially harmful chemicals. Check out our video above on what the prolonged effects of isocyanates have on your lungs and why it's such an important topic. Which mask you use is generally determined by the health and safety data sheets of the products you are using. The data sheet should also specify what grade of mask you should use. Let's start with the dust masks. These are the most commonly used required PPE. A dust mask is designed to give protection from airborne particulates present in the air and in either solid, liquid or gas form. Dust masks tend to be rated with an FFP status, which is the level it can filter particles at. For example, FFP1 masks filter at least 80% of airborne particles. FFP2 can filter up to 94%, and the FFP3 is the top rated mask filtering at least 99%. A top performing FFP3 mask is the Honeywell Valve Dust Mask 3208 and the Honeywell Valve Dust Mask FFP2 3206. Both are exclusively designed and shaped with a semi-rigid mask to stay maintained in time. The upper part of the mask is pre-formed, no nose bridge for a quick and easy adjustment, making these masks highly efficient and secure. They have great inner volume, which helps avoid any oppression on the face and eases communication, making muffled words a thing of the past. The membrane of the valve is frontally protected to minimise risks of damages and leakages, thus increasing safety. There is an ultra soft inner veil to offer a soft and pleasant contact to the skin, which also improves breathing comfort. Now on to half masks. Half mask respirators are generally made of rubber silicone and provide heavy protection from gases, fumes, dusts, vapours, dust, mould and other harmful air particles and particulates. These respirators provide a tight seal around the face and are fitted with cartridges which purify the air as the wearer breathes. Well-respected brand 3M are one of the leading suppliers of half masks with a complete range of styles for most situations. The 3M maintenance free half mask respirator 4279 FFABE K1P3D is a ready-to-use maintenance free half mask designed for effective and comfortable protection against organic vapour, inorganic, acid gas, ammonia and particulate hazards. This mask has 2 large bonded carbon filters for low breathing resistance, a low profile design for better peripheral vision, soft non-allergenic material with textured face seal, an adjustable head cradle and easy to fasten neck straps, and a lightweight, well-balanced design. It's worth nothing at this stage that cartridge masks cannot only take standard gas and vapour filters. If you spray acid cat wood paints, you would be wise to use a more advanced gas vapour and A1 Plus for formaldehyde filters. The fumes given off by acid cat paints can be nasty stuff to your lungs, and the price difference isn't worth the risk to your health. Next up is a full face mask. Full face respirators provide protection better than half face masks. By wearing a full face respirator, you also protect your eyes as well as your face from irritating vapours, mists and splashed chemicals. For lightweight breathing protection that's simple to use and comfortable, get the 3M reusable full face mask 6700. It features a large polycarbonate lens that's impact resistant to EN 166-B and gives you excellent visibility and a wide field view. These masks are made from a soft elastomeric face piece that makes it comfortable to wear, and the 4-strap suspension means it easy to put on or take off as you move between safe and contaminated areas. It protects you against gases, vapours and particulates and is designed with a 3M bayonet connection system so you can connect to a broad range of twin and lightweight filters depending on your individual needs. The 3M Cool Flow valve helps reduce heat and moisture build-up and provides less restriction to your breathing. The 6000 series has a specially designed range of spares and accessories to help you maintain the right level of comfort and protection should parts become worn or damaged. So are these masks the ultimate protection? Well, no, these are simply top of the pile for non-air-fed masks and are still ideally only for 1K paints. Next, we move on to top line protection, but you may be surprised at just how much protection you need to spray 2K paint. Next is a battery powered face mask. Powered air respirators are battery powered with a fan unit that can either be waist mounted or head mounted. The filtered air is then delivered to the chosen headpiece, which can either be a hood or a hard head top. Take the Honeywell Junior AVL battery powered air respirator mask. It is part of the Honeywell light duty air hood range and designed for use with powered air purifying respirator as the Compact Air 200, Compact Air or Air Belt. This model is fully transparent and it can be equipped with a cape for increased protection. It is recommended in working area where protection is required for respiratory organs, face and head against harmful particles, mists, gases and vapours. This system procures air to the user via the supply hose connected between the PA/PR and the hood. The filtered airflow enters at the rear and flows to the air duct and leaves the hood via the face collar. This mask has great comfort and fitting with clear acetate visor for additional light inside the hood, which procures excellent field of vision. The device is equipped with a soft, elastic and washable face seal and a unique system of spring-loaded clamps for disposable visors. Another benefit of this mask is the security. It has a wide field of vision thanks to the size and to the disposable visor system, allowing removal during operation and protecting the main hood visor against damage and splashes. The full face seal ensures a protective overpressure all around the face, and an optional cap can be used to protect the upper and back part of the head and the neck. Being light, we see this setup frequently being used to spray 2K isocyanate paints, but this is a huge health and safety risk. Air is still being pulled from around the mask rather than from an outside source, so do not use these battery fed masks for 2K isocyanate paints or you risk your long-term health. And finally, the air-fed face masks. Air-fed masks are the ultimate in respiratory protection for painters and therefore is the only setup that can handle spraying 2K isocyanate paints safely without risking the health and safety of a painter. Why? Air-fed masks work differently to all others. They draw air from outside of the spraying area, normally from an outside the spray booth at a compressor, which is drawing from external air supplies. The clean air is then forced via pressure to a regulator on a waste valve, through a filter and then moved up to the full face mask. Cheaper units feed the air from above the eyes, but after a long spraying day this can cause eye irritation. More expensive units feed the air from the bottom of the mask to cause less irritation and will also be provided with a waste belt whistle which signals if there is an issue with the air supply travelling to the mask. These whistles are vital when a sprayer is concentrating on achieving a good finish. He may not notice that the air feed has stopped to the mask until it's too late. An example of an excellent air-fed mask is the Iwata full face kit. The new and improved design now includes a wide vision visor. If you wear glasses as standard, this means there is more space to wear them underneath the mask and your peripheral vision is increased. The kit includes an air regulator to actively control the air flow. The waist belt contains a special rolling diaphragm regulator which controls the flow of air at a constant rate. Airflow is maintained above 180 litres per minute for a maximum comfort, security and safety. In this system the waist belt contains a carbon filter element which removes any odours from the air, which is delivered to the user, therefore ensuring comfort and pleasure in use. The air then moves into the mask and the mentioned safety whistle to let you audibly know if the air feed has a problem. These features make it one of the best in class currently. As the air is provided from an outside of the paint area, air-fed kits are the only system that should be used for spraying 2K isocyanate paints and is therefore ideal for any 2K sprayed applications from bridges, automotive spraying or 2K PU kitchen spraying. So that's it. Dust, half-faced, full-face, battery-fed and air-fed masks explained, alongside examples of masks we have available here at Ultramax. We hope you found this video useful, and if you need more information on masks, please contact us below or visit our website www.ultramaxstore.com.